Endless days spent in front of the TV, looking at how the world used to be, reeling in the years on RTE or TG Cahir's Shears na Shaskadi. We see how we treated each other. Níl an pósa chorram, níl an torv ceart, níl an tucrid ruscail tos cór an tíl. Na cólachtaí dúnta, na halíonna ag fullingt, is na ceol churmacha curtha ceall. But we still think of each other. Not safe to travel, all plans on the shelf. A weekend in Oslo would feel like heaven. I've had a girlfriend for the last 8 months. Haven't seen her in 7. But we saved each other. An lá chéine sa bhaile ríis is a ríis. Braham wem ma charja agus fuam na féile. Da méach an fuinneamh sin agam inis, tar éis blian scartha ó na chéile. But we still have hope for each other. My word isn't gospel, it's just as I see. The poignant ramblings of an Amadon like me. But remember this Shanachal, if you're ever in need. Ska a chéile a warren na daoine. We still have each other.